Hi guys, it's MyTwo and I'm here with Freyja, who's sleeping over there in a ball, and I'm actually wearing the Glam makeup look for you right now, but I actually go from a spring nude makeup look that's very fresh and vibrant and alive instead of like the fall kind of makeup looks that are, I think, very kind of neutral. I just add a bit of pop to it, and I have some good makeup tips there as well, and then I go to the Glamourous look at the end of the video. I have some good makeup tips in there as well if you want to hear them, and I also review the Benefit Creaseless eyeshadow, and if you want to hear about that and if you want to see how I did my looks, then please keep watching. When doing nude makeup, the most important thing is the skin, so making the skin look glowy and smooth and just beautiful. So I'm going to put a lot of concealer. I'm going to conceal under the eyes, of course. A bit on the forehead. I'm going to go down the nose. I'm going to do my cheeks as well because I have problems with pigmentation and pores and things around there. A bit around my nose because it tends to get kind of red around there. I'll put some here as well, just kind of like to highlight. The concealer I'm using is the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer. Sorry, Radiant Creamy Concealer. And this one is kind of highlighting or has that radiant effect as well. So that's okay. And pat that. Now that that's done, I'm going to put some BB cream on as well. I'm using the Snail BB cream. I'm using a BB cream instead of just putting more concealer all over just because I just feel more comfortable with a BB cream. It's kind of lighter, it's moisturizer, it's not as heavy. A lot of the professionals use a much more heavier than the NARS Creamy Concealer. They use a heavier concealer, you know, the thick ones, and they put it on with a brush, but I just don't feel comfortable with it on. Now I'm going to use the Makeup Forever HD Setting Powder. It's the HD High Definition Powder, and just to set the makeup and keep it on for a bit longer. Okay, with that done, I'm going to go on to my eye makeup. First, I'm going to take a light highlighting shade just to highlight the inner corners and the brow bridge. I'm using this by Yves Saint Laurent, the white color there in the middle. It doesn't really show up as white, it's just kind of sparkly. So you just brush that in like this kind of shape on the inside, and then I just put it more here, but around there. The eyeshadow I'm using is by Benefit. It's the Benefit MyTwo Cents Creaseless eyeshadow. This one is not really creaseless, but the color is like that. On me, it's not very coppery. It's supposed to be like a penny kind of coppery brown. On me, it really matches my skin tone beautifully, and it's a bit darker than my skin tone. And if you can find a shade that's like your skin tone but darker and just looks natural on you. So I'm just going to take it with my finger and brush it and put it all over my eyelid, my upper eyelid. So this shade is really good, and it goes on very smoothly. It does crease after a few hours, so it's not completely creaseless, in case you wanted to know. I could just leave the eyeshadow like that, but I'm going to put this on as well. This is more of a penny kind of coppery brown. It's the shade number 2 Terracotta eyeshadow from Glam. This one is more sparkly, metallic, coppery on me. whereas MyTwo Cents is just kind of a natural brown on me. I'm just going to put this on the ball just to kind of create some dimension and highlight a bit, because and highlight a little. I think I said a bittle, but I meant to say a little. Let me come closer to the camera to show you what it looks like now. That's what it looks like. If you want, you can add a brown eyeliner or a darker brown eyeshadow to the lash line, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to put mascara on now, and I think that's kind of enough for my nude look. That's usually just what I do. I'm going to use the Jumbo Mascara by Innisfree. It's a very dark black kind of, super black kind of mascara, and it just really does a good job on my eyelashes. Doesn't that just make such a huge difference? Like, it already looks quite okay now, but just this mascara, this is just 2 coats of this mascara. So now if you want, you could do your eyebrows, but I'm just going to brush them, and I'm okay like that. You could, you know, put some brush liner or eyebrow liner, eyebrow, eyeshadow, eyeliner, eyebrow liner. Brow liner, that's the word I'm looking for. But just forget that ever happened. Now I'm going to go back to my base, to my face, and I'm just going to use this Yves Saint Laurent bronzer just to shade down my cheekbones a bit. So I just put some here. Just to make your face look slimmer. If you want, you can go on the sides of your nose. That's supposed to help make your nose look a bit slimmer as well. Now I'm going to show you how I do the lips. Now, normally I would just put this kind of beige nude kind of lipstick. This is number 50 by La Roche-Posay. It's a French brand that you can find anywhere in Europe. But because it's spring and I want to be a bit more fresh and lively looking, I'm going to use this orange and mix it with a nude shade. So this is kind of not a red orange, but a more yellowy kind of creamy beigey orange. So that's what it looks like just with the orange on. I could just leave it like this. I'm quite happy with it like that. If I really want to look more nude, I'm going to put some of the nude over. So it's still nude, but it's a bit orange, and I just think that makes it more spring and fresh and lively. And what I often do during all seasons is I actually do wear blush with my nude makeup, just because it makes you look more alive and more fresh, so that at least somewhere you have some color, especially if you're just going to do the beige lip. I think it looks nicer with just some blush, like a pop of color. I'm going to use this by Peripera. It's shade number 5. It's a Korean brand, and yeah, I'm just going to put it on like that. So that's it. This is my fresh nude makeup with some color, some brightness, some freshness to it. So I think you can wear it in the spring, and it's lovely and a bit orange also. But I actually want to keep going and show you what else I've got and how you can go from this to something much more glamorous and better for night. And it's really, really simple with one easy step. All you have to do is subscribe to this channel and like and leave a comment. And well, I don't know what I'm saying right now, just forget all that. All you have to do to go from this to a glamorous look is to add red lipstick. So I'm just going to blot. I have this red shade from Mamonde, or Mamonde, I'm not sure, and it's the Creamy Tint Color Bomb Intense, and it's number 19 in the shade Burgundy. Even though it says burgundy, on me, it's more of a pinky red. It's not burgundy on me. I don't know if it'll look burgundy maybe on someone who has really pale white lips or something. So, in one easy step, all you have to do is put on this red lipstick and you're gonna go from nude and day to night and glamorous. Click down below, subscribe and like this channel to receive this color bomb intense lip balm all at the extra price of $1.99, shipping not included. And that's it. To go from day to night, just add some red lipstick and you can put on a nice dress and you're good to go. But I still think it looks spring and fresh and young at the same time. I think the blush really adds to that. So if you like this video, please click like and subscribe, and thanks so much for watching. Bye!